Hi, Tita Lot! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo. Dual citizen ka na. Anyway, thank you so much, Tita, kasi naramdaman ko yung love mo, pag-aalaga sa aming lahat. Alam ko ako personally na alagaan mo rin ako somehow. Umabot pa sa anak ko. Yung touch mo parang kakaiba kapag the way na pinupunasan mo yung likod ng mga bata, ganyan. The way na magpakain ka, the way na mang-spoil ka. Pero sobrang grateful ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, and we love you. We continue to declare for you to be highly favored, greatly loved, and deeply blessed. Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, lot. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ninang.
Happy
Wish
birthday
you
po.
all the best, good health. See you next year. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Hi, Tita Lot! Happy 60th birthday! I just wish you the best in life. Enjoy your party. Love ya!
Happy birthday, Lot. More blessing to come and always happy. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Lot. More blessings, more years to come, more everything. We love you, and you'll always do. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, Tita Lot. God bless!
Birthday, Mama Love. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lot!
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Lot. We love you.
God
God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday yon.
Happy birthday, Tita Lot.
Happy birthday, Ma. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lot! Love you!
Birthday, Tita Lot. Wish you the very best.
The very best. Happy birthday, Tita Lot. 60th birthday. We love you. Happy birthday, Tita Lot. I hope you have more good health, long life, and thank you sa lahat ng support, sa love na pinigay mo sa akin. I thank God for having you growing up. You helped me with everything. Pagiging estudyante pa lang ako na nurse. Prepare mo yung uniform ko. Pinapakain mo ako ng lahat ng luto mo. Ang dami ko natutunan sa'yo, especially sa love life. Char! No, kidding aside, I hope you find your purpose in life. Sa dami ng inilagaan mo, lahat tumataba pag hinawakan mo. Kahit ano po mangyari, nandito lang kami. Love you. And I hope lagi ka lang masaya. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Lot. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mi! Salamat sa Lord, sa buhay mo, sa dagdag na taon na ipinagkaloob niya sa iyo. We're so blessed to have you, lahat kami, sa kang blessing sa aming lahat. Wish ka sa birthday mo, pagkalooban ka pa ng Lord ng long life, good health, at maraming apo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, Mi. I love you and I wish day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mi. Sabi mo, happy birthday, Mi.
Happy birthday, me. Yay!
Hello, Mami! Sorry po, di nakapunta. Si Laali na lang po at saka si Kuya yung representative ko dyan. Hirap po magbiyahe kapag naglilihi. ayun, kita na lang po tayo sa kasal nila Alvin at Kate. Happy birthday po! Thank you po. Bye-bye!
Hi, Lot. Happy birthday. I wish you more birthday to come. And happy birthday. Sayang wala ako dyan ngayon. Kung hindi, magdamagan majong. I wish you happy birthday, Lot. And salamat pa at maraming salamat din sa mga pag-aasikaso mo sa akin pag nandyan ako sa Cavite. At alam mo naman, love na love kita. Love you. And happy birthday again. Bye.
Yoyot, happy birthday. 60 ka na. Senior na. Pero mukhang young pa rin. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Medyo busy lang. Kaya hindi nakarating. Marami pa tayong magiging banding. Yung mga memories natin ng bata, mga inuman, mamam, absolute. Ay, ang saya-saya. Kaso, ito na, nagkakaedad na, iba na ang buhay, pero enjoy pa rin. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Lahat ng pamilya mo. Bye.
Hi ate! Happy birthday! Sorry, hindi kami makarating ng mga bata for some reasons, but I did try. Anyway, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na napakaswerte ko kasi nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan at meron akong kaibigan na katulad mo. You are a gem to keep. Nakita ko kung paano mo pagsilbihan ng nanay, kung paano mo mahalin ang mga kapatid mo, pati si nanay, mga pamangkin mo, lahat ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. At dahil dyan, may mga positibong resulta na bumabalik sa iyo. Sana lang, for whatever your heart's desire will come true. At saka sana, sa mga darating na panahon, good health. Yun lang naman ang kailangan natin ngayon, hindi ba? So, yun. Happy birthday again. And, I'll make ways. I'll go there. I'll see you soon. I'll go visit you and enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lojin! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Nagulat ka, na-surprise ka ba nila? Ganun ka nila kamahal at deserve mo yan. Ingatan mo palagi ang sarili mo. Sana loobin ng Diyos, makita pa ulit tayo. At alam ko kahit naman hindi tayo mag-usap palagi, at kahit matagal tayo hindi nag-uusap, at pag nag-usap ulit tayo, parang kahapon lang, di ba? Miss ko na yung hagigikan natin, yung mga chismisa natin. Sana loobin ng Diyos, magkita ulit tayo. At pag nakita tayo, kasama na natin ang ating the one. I love you. Happy birthday. Ingatan ka palagi ng Panginoong Diyos. Love you.